Nothing will be safe from the Army's Kit Overhaul. Huntsville, Alabama reports there's no such thing as a standard gear setup from squad to squad in the Army, the Chief of Infantry said Tuesday, and none of it is designed to work together. So the service finds itself in a place where a dismounted soldier can be walking around with more than 80 pounds of kit, including 4 or 5 radios that each do something different. In fact, we've been focusing our efforts on the individual soldier for so long, we've burdened them with redundant capabilities developed in a stovepipe and added extra weight, Brigadier General Phil Kiernier said at the AUSA Global Force Symposium. The way the service would like to approach procurement going forward, he said, is treating the squad as a system, an evolution of the soldier as a system concept going back almost 20 years. Rather than bogging down with each individual with every device and piece of gear, there's room to equip them as a unit. We must reduce weight and increase combat power. We must reduce the cognitive load and increase combat power. You must increase efficiency and increase combat power, Kinnearney said. One place to start is with the integrated visual augmentation system, which is like a night vision goggle that can handle navigating, targeting, heat sensing, and more all in one piece of equipment. It's not just a night vision device, right? It's a mission command solution, said Major General Chris Schneider, head of Program Executive Office Soldier. The Army would really like to have a do-it-all radio, he said, but something that does not require massive batteries and tons of cables to operate. Let's just say you'll get more money or you'll be more competitive if your system is not a power hog, he offered as a challenge to the industry. There's also the next generation squad weapon, whose 6.88 millimeter ammunition makes it heavier overall than its predecessor. We're taking a whole bunch of feedback from soldiers real time to improve the balance and the weight of that weapon system, Schneider said. Kinnearney imagines a system that tells the rifle where to shoot. Now a soldier does not even have to raise his rifle up or her rifle up to their eye to aim and shoot something. We just now reduce cognitive load, he said. We've seen the target and now we're shooting first. Or instead of a drone with a remote that requires a soldier to put down their rifle to operate, something that uses voice control instead. So every aspect of every system that a soldier has, we're taking a hard look at every single one of them, Schneider said. So nothing will be safe in that regard. This is by Defense One on DNYUZ. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.